Struggling to make pleats in your DIY mask? Just use a fork. Put the tines of the fork around the edge, twist, and you have a pleat. I use my fork to measure the first pleat, just so I know it's the right size. Do a back stitch and sew to the edge of that pleat, and then start your next. Same way as before, put the tines around the edge, turn the fork, and you have another pleat. I pull on the pleat and the fabric a little bit just to get everything lined up farther. And now we have our third pleat, same as before. Back stitch at the end, and then trim your threads. The fork is really quite simple. It's just a plain old plastic fork that you would get from takeout. And then you break 2 of the tines off. I use needle nose pliers, but you could use anything. And then I did melt the plastic just a little bit to keep it from being sharp. So here I am setting up the other side. I just marked the first one by eye to make sure it's in the same place as the other side. And then I'm going to use the fork just like I did before, laying out each pleat as I go, just giving the other side of the mask a bit of a tug after each pleat, which helps them lay right into place. And that is how you pleat a mask. This whole video takes 1 minute and 44 seconds, and I have pleated an entire mask, which is much quicker than when I was doing them first off. Marking them took that long, but now I can make an entire mask in 6.5 minutes with this easy method. I'm Alice the Fabric Ninja. Thank you for joining me.